Welcome to Southwest Louisiana's Sam Houston Jones State Park. Known for its dense forest canopy, diverse wetland systems, and abundant native wildlife, the impacts of hurricanes and unwanted invasive plant growth have sadly led to ecological degradation. To restore the park's iconic forest habitats and establish enduring environmental stewardship and greater visitor experience for all, Woodside Energy is proud to announce a $5 million investment in a comprehensive, multi-year project, which will be delivered in partnership with the Louisiana Office of State Parks, along with RES and McNeese State University. Representing the largest corporate investment in a Louisiana state park to date, the 6-year initiative will thoughtfully restore 808 acres of degraded forest and wetland habitats, representing 75% of the total park area. As park steward, the Office of State Parks has welcomed the restoration. RES is leading the project design and execution, while McNeese State University, in collaboration with RES, will study the project's impact, guiding continuous improvement and ensuring the project achieves its ecological goals. This restoration project highlights the positive impacts that can be achieved when industry, government, and science work together. The Office of State Parks, Woodside, RES, and McNeese State University are honored to be part of a lasting legacy for Louisiana.